on. Today we are going to make text reading part in Raspberry Pi. For that we need Pi camera, which is one of the first electronic device, and second our speaker one. Okay, so in my case I'm using headphone instead of my speaker. So there is a audio jack port in Raspberry Pi, so according to that port you need to buy a speaker. If you don't have, then you can simply use that 3.5 jack earphone. Okay, so I'm using earphone which have 3.5 jack. So without wasting our time, let's get started. And I request you all, please do watch this video till end, and do subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button and share. Okay, in first part we need to do or install that Resurrect OCR. OCR means optical character recognition, which is called also an engine. It will recognize the text. First we need to install sudo apt get install TESSERACT Resurrect OCR hyphen OCR, sorry, OCR, then hit enter. It will start downloading. In my case I've already downloaded, so that's why it is not showing any uh, other functions. So in your case, in first time you need to type Y and hit enter. Okay, because in the first time you need to download that, and this desert was here, so that's why. So in my case I've already downloaded, so I don't need to type Y and hit enter. So you can see 0 upgraded, 0 newly. Desert OCR is already an newest version, so I've already installed. And second we need to install is that ImageMagick. Get install IMAGEMAGICK. This is the this is also called a engine, which you need to conversion of image into text. Okay, so this is the two types. And the third thing is you need to install that speaker part, that festival TTS. Sudo apt get install festival TTS. To install festival TTS, you need to type sudo apt install festival hyphen y and hit enter. This festival y means it is a engine which is used to speech the text. Okay, whatever inside that folder or in document, it will start detecting the text and speech, start speaking the text. Okay, so this is the trick part. That is, first you need to install uh, ImageMagick, and second is you need to install that festival, and third you need to install is Desert OCR. Okay, so then we need to type we need to, for text reader, we need to implement the Pi camera in Raspberry Pi. So in that case you need to fix the camera, Pi camera, which is 5 megapixel I think. So you need to implement that in or fix in that Raspberry Pi. After that you can write a code. I'll show you the code. Okay, and that code should be written in your uh, .py. So I'll show you that code. Okay, see, this is the code of my text reader. So there is a time imported, and after that giving 3 seconds it will print wait on the screen, and it will hold for 3 seconds. After that, it's after 3 seconds it will print on the screen that is getting reading with the webcam, and it also sleep for 3 seconds. Sleep means to delay, it's a delay. After it will start taking snap from your Pi camera. It will call the function from library of Raspberry Pi, that is special is a command. Okay, you have to write this, and say it will stored in the form of cam1.jpg in home pi location. Similarly, after that thresholding image, it will convert that image into binary. So it is plus minus 40, whatever what whatever the mention number is mentioned, you can just edit this one also. So it will, after that cam1.jpg converted into binary, it will stored in the form in the name of cam2.jpg in home pi location. After that it is performing OCR. We have already installed that. After that we it will start operating from the TextRect. Okay, and it will store in the home pi speech format. So after that it will start detecting the speech, and whatever the text inside that folder it will start detecting, and it will store in the form of speech.txt. That txt will be speech out by festival TTS. TTS means text to speech. Festival is an engine which can perform, which will perform to speech. Okay, and finally it will start task completed. In this case, in this text reader, you need to do a lot of practice, because sometimes your camera will not work. At the time you need to troubleshoot that by yourself, and you have to place that text or book, whatever you have in written format, just before 15 centimeter to 30 centimeter away from the camera. It should be fixed, both text and the Pi camera should be fixed position. Okay, so uh, this is the code. Just I need to copy. I'll show you how to save it. Just type sudo gedit, what type of what name you want to give. Similarly for the text reader, text.py. We are using Python language, so that's why the extension is .py. Hit enter. Simply write this here, and you can see all the code is already typed here, and because I have pasted over here, so there is a mark, star mark. You need to save. After saving, Control S, hit Control S, and after hitting Control S, you see there is a no star mark over here. So it means a set file. Then you can just disclose it, and you need to run the command. To run command, Python 3, the text, the name of that file, text t py. Hit enter. Wait, getting with red camera, taking snap. It will take 3 seconds to 4 seconds, and thresholding it perform over here. Speaking test, whatever the text inside that folder or document, it will start speaking from the festival TTS. But sometimes it will not, because your camera focus is not proper. So I'll show you that cam2.jpg. Where is that cam2? You can see see, first it will image, capture an image. After that captured image, it will convert it into cam2.jpg. That is whatever the text, it will start detecting the text. Okay, and after that, whatever that text is detected, it will store in the form of speech.txt according to our program. Here it is managed. You can see there is no text over here because uh, the image which was captured by our Pi, see, cam.1, see, no text is captured, so that's why there is no output in the our speech.txt means it's a 0. Okay, so for that you need to try you need to place a written text in front of camera. So after that you need lots of practice to get an output. So this is our text reading part. If anything you need to know about Raspberry Pi, then let me know in my comment section. So hope you get it. Thank you.